Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the TikTok viral chocolate peanut butter rice cakes. These were so delicious and easy to make.
That's nice. I love that. There's peanut butter in there.
Yeah, peanut butter and chocolate. The first thing you're going to need are 4 rice cakes. If you can get the thin ones, it's even better. I couldn't find the thin ones, so I just used the thick ones here. And then you'll need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. You just want to spread peanut butter evenly on top of each of these rice cakes. You can use a little bit more, a little bit less, whatever suits you, but I just like a nice kind of thin layer on there. But like I said, if you want it to be thicker with peanut butter, you go ahead and you can add a little bit more peanut butter. Now I'm throwing those in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes to allow that peanut butter to set. I'm going to let my dog lick the peanut butter spoon because she absolutely loves it. Now for my topping, I'm going to prepare that about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped salted peanuts, or you can just crush them. And we also need dark chocolate. So we need half a cup of dark chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, whatever you like. And we are just going to melt those either using a double broiler, or you can put them in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and just stir it and then back in 30 seconds at a time until you get them completely melted. Now the fun part, we are just going to swirl those rice cakes and dip the top, the peanut butter side, into the chocolate. And before the chocolate sets, make sure you put that topping on right away. If you don't want to put chopped salted peanuts, I'd recommend just some flaky sea salt because the salt really makes it taste so good. I was using unsalted peanut butter, so it really adds to the flavor by adding these chopped salted peanuts, which are so delicious on here. And I'm just going to repeat that process with all the rice cakes. I'm going to dip the peanut butter side down into that chocolate and just top them with those chopped salted peanuts. Now we're going to throw these babies back into the freezer to allow the chocolate to set. This should only take about 5 minutes, but of course I know I was just dying to try one out. And you can check how nice these look. Now like I said, if you can get the thin rice cakes, it's even better because then it's almost like completely covered in the chocolate, which makes it even more delicious. And my husband is about to do the taste test.
Look at this. Looks beautiful. Smells nice. That's nice. I love that. There's peanut butter in there.
Yeah, peanut butter and chocolate.
This is amazing. You guys got to try this.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure you like and subscribe.